Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, speaker, presenter, and organizer of the International Conference on Education and Society 2026 International Conference on Education and Society. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, and greetings of kindness and prosperity to you all. Allow us to introduce ourselves from the team at Muhammadiyah University Makassar as today's presenter on education and learning innovation. The presentation will begin in 3, 2, 1. How long are we going to let the Lontara script fade away from its place of origin? And how long will blind students continue to be denied equal learning opportunities? If not for Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar, we are about change. Based on a literature review, the data show that the preservation of the Lontara script is now on the verge of losing its meaning. In its own homeland, UNESCO data 2020 confirmed that more than 90% of people with disabilities in developing countries still face barriers in accessing inclusive education.
The 2003 National Education System Law, Chapter 4, Article 5, Paragraph 1, states that every citizen has the right to quality education. Article 31 of the 1945 Constitution states that visually impaired people still have the right to educational opportunities despite their limitations. Governor Regulation Number 79 of 2018 concerned the development of regional language. Our partner in our community service is located at SLB Ayapti Makassar City, which education children with total and low vision disabilities, located at Jalan Kapten Firre Tendean Blok M, Ujung Pandang, Kecamatan Talo, Makassar City, South Sulawesi, 8.5 kilometers from Unismu Makassar. Our partners are 4 SLB teachers and 13 high school students. Based on our observation at SLB Ayapti Makassar City, together with teachers and students, it was found that visually impaired students do not yet have learning media that can effectively introduce the Lontara script. Teachers are limited, teaching methods are monotonous, and there are no assistive devices available that are friendly for the visually impaired.
Several previous studies conducted at ASD El Ayapti in the implementation of Lontara script learning methods have been found to be ineffective in improving studying understanding of local content, particularly regional language, and the Lontara script. This ineffectiveness in many due to the absence of appropriate and effective learning media, specific design for visually impaired students at LBAU. Based on these challenges, our team from Muhammadiyah University of Makassar initiated program entitled Development of Lontara Technobraille and Arduino Basic Learning Media for Lontara Script for visually impaired students. It's LBAT Makassar. Our team consists of Irwan Aditya, the first author, Auli Azhara, the second author, Sri Wahyuni as the 3 author, Lisa Ramadania as the 4 author, and Juriati as the 5 author. The objective of this program include developing learning media for visually impaired children, applying knowledge and skill in real world context, enhancing Lontara literacy learning, supporting inclusive education, preserving this Lontara script, and contributing the sustainable development. This actively aligns with Sustainable Development Goals 4 and the KM 2025 theme point 6 was focusing in strengths, education, science, and technology. The roadmap of our program consists of 4 main stages: problem identification, prototype development, training and mentoring, and ensuring program sustainability.
Our implementation method uses society participatory by doing, which means that partners are directly involved in every stage of the activity, from socialization and training to media usage assistance. We use the CIRC Cooperative Integrated Reading and Composition approach that and assess student development through formative evaluation, summative evaluation. The result of our program activity are the Lontara Technobraille learning media, which offers many benefits including the availability of learning media, students' ability to recognize, read, and write, the availability of teaching modules for teachers and multisensory learning include touch and hearing. The learning media is sustainable and replicable. We also conducted a pretest over several meetings with 81.0 index as good, where the pretest result showed 40.8 students in the low category out of 13 students, with an average attendance rate of 80%. During the mentoring session, in addition, we measured student ability by conducting experimental classes and control classes. And from the assessment of the validated instrument, the results showed that there was an increase in knowledge related to Lontara script. We have also published media release with 10 publications, podcasts with Makassar City News, and print newspaper, and their information about Makassar.
Potential outcomes of our community service program include 5 major points. In education, it can improve the ability of Tier 10 visual impaired high school students to recognize, read, and write Lontara script. In this social sphere, it can build the confidence of visual impaired students because they are able to learn independently. In the cultural sphere, I can serve to preserve Lontara script as a cultural heritage of South Sulawesi more effectively. In terms of cooperation, it opens up opportunities for collaboration between school, universities, the education office, and the South Sulawesi with Sulawesi Language Ambassador. And for the sustainability of activities, there is potential for development, but in the form of design improvements and the addition of Lontara material. Additionally, for the sustainability of the program, we have created a pentahelix design in which academic, the government, the community, parents, school, and the local community play an active role in supporting the use of media.